Hi, I'm Elena, and I want to ask you something that might really hit home. Have you ever felt like your body just isn't working with you anymore? Maybe your energy is low, your mood's all over the place, or you're dealing with changes that no one really talks about, but you can't ignore them either. I get it. It's frustrating and sometimes even overwhelming. And like me, maybe you've tried to push through, hoping things would just fix themselves. But here's the truth. You don't have to settle for feeling off. That's why I'm so excited to share something truly life-changing with you. FemiPro. This isn't just another supplement. It's a complete solution designed to help women like you and me feel balanced, energized, and confident again, from the inside out. Let's be real. As women, we deal with a lot. Hormonal shifts, mood swings, bloating, weight gain, low energy. And sometimes, no matter how much we rest or try to eat right, it still feels like our body's out of sync. You're not alone. Many of these issues are linked to hormone imbalance, a slowing metabolism, and daily stress. And modern life, with its poor diet, environmental toxins, and nonstop pressure, only makes it worse. But what if there was a way to support your body naturally and get back to feeling like yourself? That's exactly what FemiPro is designed to do. So, what is it? FemiPro is a powerful formula created specifically for women. It uses natural ingredients that support your body's unique needs. Here's how it works. Yes, hormonal balance. Say goodbye to mood swings, energy dips, and monthly discomfort. Metabolism support. Helps your body burn fat more efficiently so you feel lighter and more in control. Energy and vitality. No more dragging through the day. Feel refreshed, focused, and strong. Check overall wellness. Supports digestion, sleep, and immune health, so your whole system works better. The best part? FemiPro is made with high-quality natural ingredients. No harsh chemicals, no junk. Just safe, effective support in one easy-to-take supplement. Here's why women love FemiPro. It tackles the root causes of feeling out of balance, boosts confidence with better energy, mood, and metabolism. Safe, natural, and fits into your routine in less than a minute a day. Now ask yourself, what happens if you don't make a change? Fatigue, mood swings, weight struggles. Those things don't just disappear. They often get worse. And honestly, you deserve more than just getting by. Because when you feel good, everything in your life improves. Your relationships, your work, your joy. It starts with taking care of you. I've seen how FemiPro can transform lives, and I want that for you too. And if you're thinking, what if it doesn't work for me? Don't worry. FemiPro comes with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Try it for 90 days. If you don't feel the difference, you'll get a full refund, no questions asked. So here's what I recommend. Get the 3 or 6 bottle package. You'll save money, get free shipping, and give your body the time it needs to truly reset. Click the link below and place your order today. You're worth it. With FemiPro, you can take back control of your energy, balance, and confidence. Let this be the moment you choose you.